Hello guys. Today we are playing a random game.
2 hours later.
We are playing natural disasters. Noise. We are in the game. Let's push this person.
LOL!
It's raining paper. The push area. Look, we won even when I'm in the base. Map is glass office. We are in. Let's get on the roof. We are in the top yay. A blizzard.
LOL!
Nearly died. I'm broke. My favorite map. Huh. What happened? Why I'm here, maybe it's a bug. That's it for today's video, guys. Bye. Subscribe.